हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार। और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू प्रेशर एंड its मेजरमेंट। So friends, question is: a pressure gauge consists of two cylindrical bulbs B and C, each of 10 centimeter square cross-sectional area, which are connected by a U-tube with limbs each of 0.25 centimeter square cross-sectional area. A red liquid of specific gravity 0.9 is filled into C and clear water is filled into B. The surface of separation being in the limb attached to C, find the displacement of the surface of separation when the pressure on the surface in C is greater than that in B by an amount equal to 1 centimeter head of water. So friends, this is the question. Now we will understand what question is saying. Friends, again देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को. Let's understand the question. Here, a pressure gauge consists of two cylindrical limb B and C of 10 centimeter square cross sectional area. Friends, this is the bulb. This is the cylindrical bulb which is connected to the U-tube manometer. Here this area is 10 centimeter square and this area is equal to 0.25 centimeter square. Okay friends. Now here also same. This C also area is equal to 10 centimeter square and this manometer area is equal to 0.2 centimeter square. Okay friends. A red liquid of specific gravity 0.9 is filled into C. So हमने क्या किया, इस लिम्ब में इस लिम्ब में सी कॉलम में हमने क्या कर दिया, रेड लिक्विड फिल कर दिया. ओके फ्रेंड्स. नाउ क्लियर वाटर इज फिल्ड इनटू बी. इस कॉलम में हमने क्लियर वाटर फिल कर दिया. देन द सरफेस ऑफ सेपरेशन बीइंग इन द लिम्ब अटैच्ड टू सी. सरफेस ऑफ सेपरेशन कहां पे आ रहा फ्रेंड्स? सरफेस ऑफ सेपरेशन इज कमिंग लिम्ब अटैच्ड टू सी, मींस इस लिम्ब में यहाँ पर somewhere it is coming. So let's here this is the separation of red liquid and water. This is the water and this is the red liquid, specific gravity 0.9. Fine. Find the find the displacement of the surface of separation when the pressure on the surface in C is greater than that in B by an amount equal to 1 centimeter head of water column. Friends, it is saying that जब हम इस सी बल्ब में और इन दिस लिम्ब प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हैं 1 सेंटीमीटर H2O, 1 सेंटीमीटर H2O अगर हम प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हैं इस लिम्ब में सी में, तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, मींस इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा. दिस इज द सेपरेशन पॉइंट विच इज सेपरेट दिस रेड लिक्विड एंड वाटर. इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा, वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके फ्रेंड्स, फाइंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ सेपरेशन व्हेन प्रेशर ऑन द surface C is greater than that of B. Less. Okay. Fine. Now friends, question understand. This is the question. Let's solve this question, friends. Friends, we don't know that how much height is this one. We don't know how much height is this one, and we don't know also that how much height in this water column. Let's give the name here. Height is HC and height is here HB. Friends, then we will calculate the pressure. This is the separation point, so we will make a datum line XX above which pressure is calculated. So whatever pressure is there in this column, same it will be there in this column. Fine. So at equilibrium condition, rho B means column B G HB equal to rho C G HC. Okay friends, so whatever density is there rho c, and here density is there rho b, this hb, g, and here hc. Now friends, here understand now, no doubt is, I think no doubt is there. Rho gh is the pressure at this point, rho gh. So rho b g into hb, this is the pressure acting here, and here rho c g into sc is the pressure acting here. So both pressure is equal. Now okay, see here, this both I am calculating equating equal. This density, this is the density of water 9.81 into this is the hb height. Here density of red liquid, associated gravity has given, specific gravity has given 0.9. So density is equal to 900, because we will multiply here 1000 in this specific gravity. So density it will come into g, or we can say 9.81 into hc. So from here friends, we are able to find a relation between hb and hc. So hb equal to 0.9 hc. After calculating this one, this g and g will cancel out, and this 1000 we will divide here, so 0.9 it will come. So hb equal to 0.9 hc. Okay friends, this relation has come because first we don't know the value of hc and hb. Now one relation we are getting here, hb equal to 0.9 sc. Fine. Friends, second point is that it is saying that in B column, in C column, pressure is greater than 1. In C, pressure is greater than 1 centimeter H2O compared to B. So how much pressure it is applying? We will calculate the pressure of 1 centimeter H2O. So 1 centimeter H2O कितना pressure apply करेगा? First we will calculate. So pressure is equal to how much? You know friends, again rho gh. So here H2O, it is saying that H2O in terms of H2O. So density of H2O will take g into height. Height is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter will calculate in meter, 0.01 meter H2O. So we will calculate the pressure. How much it is coming? 1000 into g into 0.01. This is the height. This much pressure Newton per meter square it is coming. Okay friends, here height we can unit is meter, height is meter. Okay friends, now up to here it is clear कि कितना प्रेशर अप्लाई करेगा, इतना एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर जो है उस पर हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं कॉलम सी के ऊपर. तो हमें फाइंड करना है कितना जो है सेपरेशन का जो पॉइंट है वो कितना डिस्प्लेस होगा, ये पॉइंट कितना डिस्प्लेस होगा. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट दिस एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर, दिस इज द एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर. फाइन. Friend, this is the situation. This is the situation. Now already applied 1 centimeter extra pressure. Because of this, what happens? This liquid will move little bit, and because of this only, this is the old datum line. Because of this pressure, this will move down. So this is the new datum line. This is the new datum line YY, and because of this some liquid will rise in the column B. Okay friends, getting clear? Earlier जो है, earlier this is the case. Now we are applying this 1 centimeter extra pressure here. So इसी बार क्या होगा फ्रेंड्स, ये नीचे को जाएगा और इसके कारण जो है ये भी नीचे जाएगा, और जो भी लिक्विड होगा इसमें क्या होगा, राइज करेगा. सो दिस मच इट विल राइज. Okay friends, now we will calculate. Friends, see here, some volume is coming down. So this much volume, suppose this much volume, it is coming down in the bulb. This is the bulb, this is the this is the tube. So friends, here यहाँ से जो है फ्रेंड्स, लेट इतना वॉल्यूम जो है ड्यू टू प्रेशर कम हुआ है, तो इतना वॉल्यूम फ्रेंड्स इसमें जाएगा, इस वाले लिम्ब में जाएगा. करेक्ट फ्रेंड्स? ड्यू टू दिस इस बल्ब में जितना वॉल्यूम इतना कम होगा, सपोज दिस मच हाइट इट इज कम मतलब कि डिक्रीज हुआ है, तो फ्रेंड्स इधर इतना भी तो आएगा ना। तो जो वॉल्यूम यहाँ से डाउन गया है उतना ही तो वॉल्यूम जो है इसमें नीचे को जाएगा। गेटिंग फ्रेंड्स, लेट इसकी वजह से जो वॉल्यूम यहाँ पर ड्यू टू प्रेशर क्या कम हुआ है इसमें, उतना ही इसमें वॉल्यूम आएगा। लेट हाइट इज दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट हाइट इज जेड। ओके फ्रेंड्स, लेट दिस हाइट इज जेड। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये वॉल्यूम कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो वॉल्यूम इस बल्ब में होगा वही वॉल्यूम इतना होगा। सो बोथ वॉल्यूम कैन बी इक्वेट, कैन बी इक्वल। Okay friends, this is the concept here. So volume of liquid fall in the bulb C equal to volume of liquid fall in U2 column। तो इतना ही यह नीचे को जाएगा, जितना वॉल्यूम यहाँ कम होगा उतना ही वॉल्यूम इसमें नीचे आएगा। सो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे क्या हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, इसका जो एरिया होगा, द एरिया इंटू हाइट, एरिया इंटू हाइट इज द वॉल्यूम equal to this area into this height। Okay friends, this area into height here equal to this area into height। Now friends, I think clear। So this area into fall in the surface level C, जितना इसमें फॉल हुआ है, सपोज मान लीजिए कि यह जो है हमें फाइंड करना है फॉल इन द सरफेस लेवल C, इसमें जो फॉल हुआ है equal to this area, small area into fall in the separation level। this is the separation level। तो ये कितना फॉल हुआ है, so this is the Z। so friends, कितना हो जाएगा fall in surface level C, ये surface level कितना हो जाएगा C equal to this area into height divided by this area। so friends, already given area 0.25 this one and 10 centimeter here, so both unit will cancel out। so from here it will come Z by 40। so friends, this it will come, this height is equal to fall in surface level C equal to Z by 40। okay friends, now friends see here, this area is, this bulb area and this bulb area is same and this area and this area is same। so जितना भी इसमें surface level down होगा because of this movement, इस बल्ब में भी उतना ही हमारा राइज होगा। गेटिंग पॉइंट। सो बल्ब सी में जितना हमारा लेवल सरफेस लेवल डाउन होगा सेम राइज होगा बिकॉज अदर एरियाज अदर पैरामीटर इज सेम। गेटिंग फ्रेंड्स, सो दिस मच फॉल इज देयर इन दिस कॉलम सी, सो दैट मच डिस्टेंस विल राइज इन कॉलम बी। सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो Z by 40। okay friends, now here something is clear। okay, now friends, we will calculate the pressure here। we will calculate the pressure here। see, this is the pressure calculation we will talk about। so this is the pressure calculation। सेम फ्रेंड्स, जितना प्रेशर इसमें होगा, जितना प्रेशर एवं दिस न्यू डाटम लाइन राइट साइड लिम्ब में होगा उतना ही प्रेशर जो है एवं द दिस डाटम लाइन लेफ्ट लिम्ब में होगा। सो विल कैलकुलेट द प्रेशर। सो प्रेशर कैलकुलेशन फ्रेंड्स, नाउ दिस इज लेफ्ट लिम्ब, दिस इज द राइट लिम्ब। सो फर्स्ट विल कैलकुलेट द प्रेशर इन द लेफ्ट लिम्ब। हाउ मच प्रेशर इज देयर, दिस मच लिक्विड अप टू दिस मच water is there, so up to this water is there। okay friends, so how much is there, this height is here, this height is Z, whatever height is there Z, it will come also Z। so friends, density is water, this density is rho W water, G we know that, and then height friends, how much is there, total height this Z by 40, this distance plus this HB plus this distance, it is going down। so ये हाइट भी हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। so we are calculating here new datum line। So total height is Z by 40 plus HB plus Z. So total HB dash is equal to how much? Density 1000 into G into Z by 40 plus HB plus Z. This is the pressure which is working in left limb. Now friends, coming on the right side. Coming on the right side. Okay friends. See here how much pressure is there. Pressure, this rho GH. See friends, this distance has earlier, this is the distance. Earlier this HC is the up to this. Now it has come down this Z by 40. So height is this Z plus HC minus Z by 40. This is the height into rho, this rho liquid into G plus, friends, here one extra pressure is working already, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter H2O pressure is also working, so we will add this pressure also. Okay friends, getting my point? So here right side, this rho C, liquid density of liquid into G into HC dash. So HC dash is how much? This Z plus HC minus Z by 40. And some extra pressure is also working here. So 1 centimeter H2O pressure above C bulb. Okay friends. So we will calculate also here. Now here we'll put the value, this 1000 G, here G, and this how much? 1000 into G into 0.1. 0.01 is this pressure. So this G will cancel out. Now we will divide by this 1000. So how much it will come here? This is 0.9. This value minus Z by 40 plus HC plus Z, it will come here 39 Z by 40 plus C, and this value 1000 cancel out, so this is the 0.01. Getting friends? And this side is equal to Z by 40 plus HB plus Z. This is the distance it will come. We know that friends, this HB already calculated. This HB already calculated here. Initial case that HB is equal to 0.9 HC. So from here friends, we will put the value 0.9 HC plus Z. So this will come Z by 40 plus Z is equal to 41, Z by 40 plus 0.9 SC equal to, इसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 0.9. फ्रेंड्स हियर यू सी माइनस Z by 40 प्लस Z. सो इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? दिस 39 आ जाएगा, माइनस Z plus 40Z by 40 is equal to how much? This is 39Z by 40. So this value will come, this value will come 39Z by 40 plus HC. So we will multiply 0.9, 0.9 से multiply कर देंगे तो ये value आ जाएगा 0.9 into this one into 0.9 into HC, and this value is equal to 0.01. So friends, you see here this 0.9 SC and 0.9 SC, it will cancel out here. So क्या बच जाएगा फ्रेंड्स? 41Z by 40 equal to 0.9 into 39Z by 40 plus this 0.01. Okay friends. Now friends, here this already, क्या करेंगे फ्रेंड्स? हम दिस टर्म को इस साइड भेजेंगे तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 41Z by 40 is equal to 0.9 into 39C by Z by 40. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसको हम जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा? 5.9 Z by 40 equal to 0.01, or we can say the Z value it will come 0.06779 meter, or Z equal to 6.779 centimeter. It means friends, because of this 1 centimeter, H2 pressure will increase in this column. So how much movement will be there in this surface level is equal to Z is equal to 6.779 centimeter. Okay friends, so Z equal to 6.9, this is 6.779 centimeter. This is the answer. सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू।